Hey guys, welcome back to Ham's Tech Fixer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Adsterra payout information problem when trying to add your payout method. If you are getting the message saying, to update these details, please contact us and provide supporting documents, then don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you the full working solution step by step. So make sure to watch the full video carefully and don't skip any part, because I'll show the complete process from contacting support all the way to successfully receiving the payout in my crypto wallet. Now let's get started. As you can see, this is my Adsterra dashboard, and these are my real earnings. I'll refresh the page once again, so you can clearly see that this is a real account, and everything is loading properly. Now I'm going to the payout section. Now under Choose Method, I'm selecting Tether USDT because I usually receive my payments directly to my crypto wallet. You can also use Bitcoin or any other payment method if you want, but in my case, I'm using USDT for withdrawals. Now I'll enter my wallet address and try to save the payout information. And now the problem appears. As you can see, Adsterra shows this message saying, to update these details, please contact us and provide supporting documents. The first name, last name, and address fields are locked, so we cannot edit them normally from the dashboard. But don't worry, this problem can be fixed easily by contacting Adsterra support. Now I'm opening the Adsterra support chat. Here I'm sending a message explaining the issue. I type, when I try to receive a payout, it asks me to update supporting document. How do I provide that? After that, I upload a screenshot of the error message so the support team can clearly understand the problem. Now the ticket status changes to in progress. After around 40 minutes, Adsterra support replies to my message. They ask me to provide my full name exactly as it appears in my ID card or passport. So now I'm entering my real full name exactly as shown in my official documents. After sending the information, the ticket status changes back to in progress. Now we just need to wait for Adsterra support to verify and update the payout information. Usually this process can take around 3 to 5 working days, depending on support response time. After around 3 days, I finally receive another message from Adsterra support saying, your name in the payout information was updated. You may continue filling in your payout details. So now the issue is fixed successfully. Now I'm going back to the payout information page. And as you can see, my first name and last name are now updated successfully. After that, I'll add my new USDT wallet address, because the old wallet address is no longer there. And finally, it says payout method saved. That means the problem has been fixed completely. After about 1 month, I finally received the Adsterra payment successfully in my crypto wallet. As you can see, I received the Binance email saying USDT deposit confirmed. So yes, the payout worked successfully after updating the payout information through Adsterra support. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching Ham's Tech Fixer, and see you in the next video.